Yeah, this is probably about where you're standing is the location of the original waterfall. It was a solid horseshoe, went all the way across. It looked a whole lot like that does now, but it used to come down in one stage, and it was about a 30 to 40 foot stage that it came down. It actually looked like Niagara Falls on a wet day. And years ago it had cut back into like it's doing right now, and it was coming down in 3 different stages. But now it looks like it's trying to come back down in one stage again. All that erosion through the years, it just changes down here. It's been at least, oh, that was good. You okay? You all right? Yeah, I treat it like it was a beer. Yeah, that makes a nice little swimming hole right there, which I guess you already know.